Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, July 14th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So after another very powerful day by the bulls yesterday, we spent the majority of the overnight, basically, remember we had a trend day yesterday, basically in the lower distribution and upper distribution. In fact, I'm in twos, but we have a wide overnight point of control right in between the single prints. We also went out with a price probe. We'll see if the base of the price probe is accepted this morning when the market opens. NQ went out with a triple distribution day. So they've traded between their upper distribution and middle distribution. They have a wide overnight POC. Righty, which finally took out the IB high yesterday late in the day, right now in the middle of their profile from yesterday. Bulls firmly in control. A lot of bank earnings out this morning. The market's going to do what it wants to do until it doesn't, right? The market will care when it wants to care. I know I say that a lot, but it's true, and that's why people fighting these things is silly. It's silly, okay? I've been on the other end of that. Believe me, it's not fun. So you trade what's in front of you. I'll be recapping all of these indices charts tonight. As far as the game plan, I'm sure there were people screaming excess yesterday when the market closed coming off an M period. Again, will it be excess? Well, right now we'll see. There's still 75 minutes to go, but right now we're trading right at the upper end of yesterday's range. So just like the line of sand yesterday was J and K's high for the bulls, today it's more likely G's high. Okay, that's where initially the market spiked and they attempted to have change take place. Even though they didn't hold the single prints in K, we never really got back down below G's low. K just filled the singles, went up, and then LM continued. So bulls certainly want to hold that for a number of reasons. Number one, if they hold it, value will be at least overlapping the higher. Number two, if they don't hold it, well, again, we had a small range yesterday. We were 8 wide, never got 9 wide. We do have an afternoon pullback. But the one thing to even think about looking on the bear side is you would want to take out yesterday's low to put the daily back into balance. So again, our usual play, a lot of times, you could, depending on where the overnight high is. Right now, the overnight high is in regular trading hours. Did not take out yesterday's high yet. So you could attempt to short the overnight high and yesterday's high in ES if it's around here. And on the flip side, if it was to push down, again, it's not a bad risk reward long against G's high to front run the overnight low. Again, these are all early plays. You're in my room. I'm on that mic from 9:15 to 4 p.m. breaking this down every time frame. $30 a month. Out of your mind not to give it a try. And then on the chart, again, we'll break down everything tonight. So the daily is up. So for everybody that keeps saying the market can't go higher, keep in mind, we just came out of a weekly balance, right? This week. This is the first week we came out of balance, so it's certainly not stretched. And on the daily, we came out of balance 2 days ago. So again, it can go higher. The first sign that there would be any kind of balance would be to take out a daily low. I mean, it's not that hard. Yes, I understand you'd love to pick the top, but picking the top, the odds of that are very slim, and this is a game about odds. So let it come into balance. You might not pick the top, but you have better MGI if you're then looking for that swing short. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.